She did the Zulu gents bad loudly crying heartbreak.
bajuluke banamanga sebazule futhi siphinda futhi isisopo esinando mnandi angithina bona lelanga liphuma nami bafethu ngiphethe sisters ngapha yabo nani nazibonela umuhle bafethu sisters angithi nazisebenza kanjani sisters ubani igama lakho
Sisipho.
Sisipho tobuza ne yini gift yakho like uyilethe emhlabeni mawubhekile
Angina gift, angina talent ngizamba nje.
sisters okay asiqale ke sisters uthi uyajola
No.
yana
Yeah.
angasabi sokusiza sisters
Victim.
sisters nganyenza umntwana
I'm
bheke
being honest. I'm
okay
maybe
man
I
you
lied. I probably
Tell.
lied.
you lied what
Like,
Konje
when was my previous relationship?
yo sister
Ata bakhulisa leshano ha lena nkoka.
pine kudala ukujona
3 years.
yes back lema
Oh yeah, I remember now.
wakwenza
Oh yeah, bekafuna umngani wami.
uwe mlahlile noma uye
Me. Yeah, bekamfuna, but like if bekamtholile,
what's that one alcohol you ever drank and said to yourself no more drinking
no more. Gin. Yo, gin is I don't
Yakwenza?
know. I was in public. Ish. I was in public, but I was with my friends.
yes. What's that one thing you ever done for love and said to yourself yo you can't believe this
I probably give Bana money. Like,
uyabheja toto
angeke ngisabheje. Because
mama
maximum mamela ne. Ngibala like say yonke iphelele imali engeke ngamnika yonke or
like yeah like for this man
allowance. Never.
yo uthi like wamupha yona wathi le ayiningi angazi ngakhola
I'm sure it was like 350. It's not that bad.
nawubani loyo mfana ubheta kanje amano looks emfaneni
I've never received money from a guy.
ngoba wena uwebheja kuqala
No.
noma uthanda
Hayi bekuthando yabo. Uye kumela ngiphi imali?
uyekumela mawupha wena yenza vice versa yabona
Hayi looks matter nazo.
Looks.
Hayi angeke ngitshele naye ke.
njana ngitshele ke inama reflex wakho emfaneni
Ama red flags emfaneni ne. I-gold number 1.
hey at least anginayo ingane ofaka igold
I-gold.
yekela mali
Amacici not that bad shape. I-gold red flag. Female bestie. And then what else?